In today's health-conscious world, more and more people are turning to plant-based diets to improve their well-being. If you're looking for a cookbook that offers delicious and easy plant-based recipes without the use of salt, oil, or sugar, then Straight Up Food is the perfect choice for you. This hardcover cookbook, released on November 1st, 2016, provides a comprehensive collection of mouth-watering recipes that are not only healthy, but also incredibly flavorful. With a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,200 customer reviews, it's clear that Straight Up Food has become a favorite among those seeking nutritious and tasty plant-based meals. The Straight Up Food, delicious and easy plant-based cooking without salt, oil, or sugar. Hardcover is a must-have cookbook for anyone looking to adopt a healthy and wholesome plant-based diet. Authored by Kathy Fisher, a renowned chef and educator in the plant-based cooking space, this cookbook offers a treasure trove of delicious recipes that are free from salt, oil, and sugar. With over 1,200 positive customer reviews and an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, this cookbook has already proven its worth among the health-conscious community. It stands out from other plant-based cookbooks by offering recipes that not only prioritize health, but also taste and simplicity. One of the most important features of this cookbook is its emphasis on a whole foods, plant-based approach to cooking. By eliminating salt, oil, and sugar from the recipes, it encourages readers to rely on the natural flavors and goodness of fresh ingredients. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to manage or prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Another standout feature of this cookbook is its user-friendly layout and organization. The recipes are neatly categorized into sections such as breakfast, soups and stews, salads, mains, and desserts. Each recipe includes clear and concise instructions, making it easy for even novice cooks to follow along. Furthermore, the Straight Up Food cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. From comforting classics like lasagna and chili to creative dishes like sushi rolls and sweet potato burgers, there is something for everyone in this cookbook. The inclusion of nutritional information for each recipe also allows readers to make informed choices about their meals. In conclusion, the Straight Up Food, delicious and easy plant-based cooking without salt, oil, or sugar. Hardcover is a fantastic resource for individuals looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle without compromising on flavor. With its emphasis on whole foods and its wide range of delicious recipes, this cookbook is sure to become a staple in any plant-based kitchen. Click on the link in the description below to check the current price.